Hi everyone, so we have left our lovely little flat in Weymouth behind for the meantime. We are on our way home and we have stopped at Moor Valley Country Park on our way, so I thought I'd do a little vlog of this. I'm going to put this into a longer vlog, as I keep saying in my videos, but this is just going to be a shorter vlog. I thought I'd show you Moors Valley Country Park because it's really lovely, although the car parking is really expensive. So remember to save up before you come here. I think you can probably, if you live around here, I'm sure you can probably buy a season ticket for it. But as we've come here on our way home from Dorset and Weymouth, so we only stop here like once or twice a year, so it's probably not worth buying like a season ticket for it. But anyway, it's a really lovely country park, so I thought I'd show you around. So I'll take you with me. See you later. Bye.
Chicken and chorizo pie. Only pie a day.
Oh, nice. Yeah. No, that's fine.
Should we go and fart some steam train action? Of course, I try not to spit any food out of my mouth. For you, I think. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I wonder if they'll have any stuff compatible with your Brio railway set.
Yeah.
Do you think they will? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
just get off, I can do it.
You can wave the flag, yeah. You didn't bring your what?
Well, I'll tell you what, right? That's quite cheap. What about when we get back, we'll do the wee wees, and in the shop, there's that wooden train whistle. It was about £2 something, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Do you want to get that?
Yeah.
Right, done.
Do you want to go at the front again?
Yeah, let's sit to the front again.
Then down you go.
Close, alright?
That wasn't allowed poop, was it? That was out of a mean poop.
You gonna hold on to that tightly, Ted, yeah?
Good boy, well done. Wrap it all up, Debbie. Yeah. No. Tightly there, yeah. It actually slows down doing this.
I think this is the place.
Yeah. There's a little boy coming up, you're going to wait for him. Yep, you can get an ice cream now. So we have finished at Moores Valley Country Park. Ted has bought himself a whistle
And the flag.
that sounds like a steam train.
And the flag.
And a flag. So he's looking forward to using those when he gets home with his Brio railway set, I'm sure. Moores Valley Country Park was really good. A little bit on the pricey side. The food was a little bit on the pricey side as well. But we've had a good time. The steam train was really good. We love a steam train in this house. I will try and link some of the other steam train rides that we've been on in the description box below for you. We're about to leave, so I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And please feel free to leave any comments below. Have you been to this country park and did you enjoy it? Do you think it's expensive? We'd love to know, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye. Okay.